Well, what is up, my only and lonely viewer? Even though I have more viewers. Shut up. Shush. Anyways, I'm your host, David17, and this Let's Play of, Spyro Drain 2. Gateway to Glimmer. From last left off, we just entered Hurricos. I have more viewers. Don't be foolish. And for some reason I just destroyed that. I don't know why. There's a robot. Oh my god! Kill a robot! More gems. Now this place is set. Another killer robot. He's gonna get fixed. Let's see, where's the killer robot? He's coming. Ah, shut up! Now this looks dangerous. Can I do it? I doubt it. And I do it. Nice. I even think I suck at this game, but incredibly enough I did that, even though it looked actually pretty easy. But yeah, I'm not the greatest player of all time, so I sometimes have my own doubts. Anyway, that's a droid, or what's those things called again? I don't know what they were called, but I got one. That's what matters. Get over there. Oh my god. Guard! Kill him! Oh, there's another one. I hope I can get out of this place fast, because it's kind of making me sad, actually. I don't know why, but it's so great. Ow! Kill Robert and a giant idiot at the same time. So one of them had to get me. Because I'm not skilled at this game. So of course they just had to get me. Let's see. Over here we go. Okay. Now die! Hey, where did the other one go? Okay, I can swallow that.
Oh, these gear grinder thieves keep taking our lightning stones. If you can replace them all and activate our generator, I'd be very grateful.
Ah. Catch thieves, but I just catch one. Anyways, let's just do this. Something tells me this is gonna take pretty darn big amount of my time. But we have to do it. Unfortunately. Hey, swallow it. Now, place it. Oh jeez, how hard is it? Ah, come on. Spyro. There you go. Alert! I see you. I see you too. Oh, I got 3. Any more? Don't think so. I don't hope so. For their own for their own safety, stay away. I'm getting mad already. This is boring enough. Now, this is a challenge the creators could have dropped. Like, this is really taking a big amount of time. Well, there's a more. Oh, there's a thief! Oh, I gotcha. Well, that's 4 out of 10, so we're... Oh my god, more thieves! Where? Where? There's one. Any more? We're halfway though. Oh, there's one. No! Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, there's one. Gotcha. Stupid things. 4 more to go. Give me the globe. I even wonder, is it safe to swallow electric globe like that? Well, yeah, it's kind of only active when he plays it. Oh my god, more thieves! Oh, I saw one. No, where did he go? How did he get all the way over there that fast? There you go. 3 more to go. And hopefully they stop this doing. Just stop it, seriously. That's like real. Oh my god, more. Did I see? No, I didn't. I heard one. There he is. Where did you go? Oh, there you are. Shut up and die. There's one more. I'm gonna get you. Okay, one last goddamn thief. Now stop it. I'm getting annoyed already. Okay, let's place the rest where they should be. Where's the last one? Where's the last one? I heard the alarm go. So where is? Where's the last? Oh, is it? No. No, it's not him. No. Where did he go? Oh well, anyways. Just stop it. Oh my god, I spent so much of time just doing this. Oh, stop it. There's a globe. There you are! I blamed you! Anyways, you're gone now. So, there's no more thieves, but let's just place these where they should be. And let's get over with this. I hope I get something I can use for doing all this, because that was boring. There we go.
Thank you, Spyro. I found this shiny thing mixed up with our lightning stones. Please, take it as a reward.
Nah, I don't know. I should get 2 orbs for this challenge, because that was really annoying. Anyways, let's go. Let's move on. I have a challenge of the video after this experience. Steal something. No, that's not a good thing to steal things, so I'm gonna change it. Anyways, oh my god, I still got a lot of things to do here, which is not good. No, 18 enemies. I can't charge that thing. Oh, robotic! Evil robot. Okay. Challenge of the video. Steal from the rich. Well, the question is, have you ever stolen something? Well, now I have access to a bigger area now, so... Ow! Stop it! Oh, I did that pretty well. Oh, I think the power-up is active now. Get rid of him before the killer robot gets back. Oh god! Come on, killer robot. Okay, I'm coming. Here we go. There we go, that was it. Let's collect some gems, and unfortunately we'll also spend some of the next part here, because, yeah.
Thank you, Spyro. You've deactivated all of the electric barriers. We've been guarding this talisman from the gear grinders. Please, take it as a reward.
So we got the talisman in Hurricos. Soon gonna cut it off as well. Let's see, what does it... Okay, 116 more gems. And some... excuse me, and some... what's it called again? Wait a minute, just give me this first. And some 2 orbs, there we go. Yeah, I better don't miss this gem as well. So, I have an idea now. Okay. Oh, there's another button. Okay, I see. And let me see now what else to do. Oh, I see something. I see 2 more big windmills. Oh, there's a life. Goody. Anyways, we end this episode on 12 lives, so in the next part we're gonna continue here in Hurricos, because we have to. So I'm your host, David17, and I'll see you the next time. Peace.